Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from unit 3, the daffodils. SLOs of this lesson are recognize function of reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns. I hope you are familiar with both these nouns because we have learned the concept of both these nouns in your previous class too. The reflexive pronoun, here we use a reflexive pronoun as a direct object when the object is the same as the subject of the verb. As you can see, she is instructing herself to cook. She and herself is the same person. She is the subject here and herself is the object here. So, as a direct object, this is about the one person here. About she. So herself is referred to this person she here, and with the preposition by. We have discussed the preposition which tells you the direction and the relationship between the nouns and pronouns. He lived by himself in a new city. By is a preposition here and himself is a reflexive pronoun here. He and himself is the one person here. He is the subject here and the himself is a reflexive pronoun here. The direct object here. This is about the one person here. The emphatic pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourself, yourself and themselves. These words can be either emphatic pronouns or reflexive pronouns. These are the same, emphatic and reflexive. The use of emphatic pronouns and emphatic pronoun refer back to another noun or pronoun in the sentence to emphasize it. The examples are the queen herself attended the party. The queen here the subject and she herself attended the party. Her is a reflexive pronoun here. The queen is the noun being emphasized. It is called the antecedent of the emphatic pronoun. Antecedent pronoun we have discussed in our previous lesson. When used for emphasis, a word like herself is called an emphatic pronoun. She will do it herself. यहाँ पर emphatic pronoun क्या है? herself, जो emphasize कर रहा है कि she will do it, वो अपना काम खुद करेगी. herself क्या है? यहाँ पर emphasize है कि वो अपना काम खुद करेगी. she क्या है? pronoun है और herself क्या है? इधर emphatic क्या? reflexive pronoun है. The scouts cook these cakes themselves. The emphatic pronoun themselves emphasize the scouts cook the cakes. अब यहाँ पर emphatic pronoun क्या है? themselves है, जो emphasize कर रहा है कि the scouts, जो noun है इधर the scouts, वो अपना केक जो है खुद कुक करेंगे. I heard the lie myself. The emphatic pronoun myself emphasizes that I heard the lie. I, the subject, heard the lie himself. So the myself is here is an emphatic pronoun. The cat opened the door itself. The emphatic pronoun itself emphasize the cat opened the door. यहाँ पर जितने भी आपके emphatic pronouns है वो क्या करते हैं? emphasize डालते हैं, किसी चीज पे जोर डालते हैं कि जो नाउन है वो अपना काम खुद करेगा. जैसे कि कैट, आई, स्काउट्स और द क्वीन. यहाँ पर इन नाउन्स पे एम्फेसाइज किया जाता है कि वो अपना काम खुद करेंगे. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिफ्लेक्टिव एंड एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस. अ प्रोनाउन इज अ रिफ्लेक्सिव वन इफ द एक्शन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट रिफ्लेक्ट्स अपॉन द डूअर. एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस ऑन द अदर हैंड आर यूज्ड टू जस्ट एम्फेसाइज द एक्शन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. रिफ्लेक्सिव की आप एक एग्जाम्पल देखें, ही कट हिमसेल्फ. हेयर द सब्जेक्ट एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट रिफर टू द सेम पर्सन. अब यहां पर सब्जेक्ट और अब ऑब्जेक्ट जो है दोनों एक ही पर्सन के बारे में है, ही और हिमसेल्फ. तो ये रिफ्लेक्सिव हो गया. और ही हिमसेल्फ कट द केक. एम्फेटिक, हेयर द एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन हिमसेल्फ मेयरली पुट्स एम्फेसिस ऑन द नाउन ही. अब यहां पर जो है आप देख सकते हैं कि एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन हिमसेल्फ जो है एम्फेसाइज कर रहा है, जोर डाल रहा है किस पे? द नाउन ही पर. I spoke to the principal myself. Emphatic है ये भी. You must blame yourself for the loss. You and yourself is the same. An emphatic pronoun can be removed from the sentence and the core meaning would not be affected. A reflexive pronoun on the other hand is indispensable. Indispensable मतलब इसको अलग नहीं किया जा सकता. Emphatic pronoun को अगर रिमूव भी कर दे सेंटेंस से तो उसके मीनिंग पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन को हटा दिया जाए तो मीनिंग पे फर्क पड़ेगा. द सेंटेंस वुडंट मेक कंप्लीट सेंस इफ यू रिमूव द रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. अगर हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन को सेंटेंस में हटा दे तो सेंटेंस का कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. अब इसकी एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे ताकि आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो है और क्लियर हो जाए. 39 पेज पे आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में सेक्शन ए है. चूज द करेक्ट रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन फॉर ईच ब्लैंक. हेल्प टू एनीथिंग यू नीड सारा. हियर द प्रोनाउन इज यू. द पर्सन इज रेफरिंग टू सारा दैट अपनी मदद खुद करो जो तुम्हें चाहिए. तो योरसेल्फ नो, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. इटसेल्फ नो, this is about you, the pronoun you. Myself no, yes, the yourself is the right option here. The second one, Tahir and Hafiz are good players, they don't mind making fools of. Yes, Tahir and Hafiz itself, each other or yourself are good players. Tahir and Hafiz are both like plural noun here. So yourself is incorrect, itself is incorrect, themselves no, each other. They don't mind making fool of each other here. The third one here, the exercise by is not enough. You need to study more. The exercise is an object here. So what we will do? Yourself, no. This is the incorrect option. Himself, no. Yourself. This is about exercise here. So the exercise by itself is not enough. The fourth one, I am going to shave. I am, you can see the I am, you have a clue here, not ourselves, not yourselves, not each other, yes, the myself here. The fifth one here, I feel dirty after the journey. I need to wash. Yes, the clue here about reflexive pronoun here. I need to, again I here. Yes, I need to wash myself. Choose the correct option for these remaining sentences by yourself. The section B here, underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Identify whether the pronouns are reflexive or emphatic. The first one, I myself heard his remarks. So you can see the I and the myself is talking about the same person here. So this is a reflexive pronoun here. The second one, we often deceive ourselves. Yes, they often deceive themselves. So this is again the reflexive pronoun. The third one, he himself said so. He and himself, the same person here. Reflexive pronoun. The fourth one, I myself went to the market and bought it. Again, I and myself. The reflexive pronoun. The fifth one, he himself painted the walls. Again, he and himself, the reflexive pronoun. The sixth one, Ramiz did it himself. Six is, again, Ramiz and himself are related about one person. So this is a reflexive pronoun. The seventh one, don't touch that electric wire. You will hurt yourself. You and yourself here. So this is emphatic pronoun here. Identify these pronouns too by yourself. I hope, dear student, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.